If you could buy only one indoor plant, which would you choose? Snake plant or ZZ plant? Most people make this decision based on looks, but that can lead to buying the wrong plant for their home. In today's video, I am comparing these two popular houseplants side by side, and by the end, you will know exactly which one is the better choice for your lifestyle. Trust me, the winner might surprise you. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I create video about indoor plants, plant care and simple gardening tips to help you grow healthy, beautiful plants. Today we are comparing two of the most popular house plants in the world, the snake plant and the ZZ plant. We will compare their appearance, care need, growth, light requirements, watering, air purifying qualities, pet safety, and much more. So let's get started. Let's begin with appearance. The snake plant has tall, upright, and sword-shaped leaves that gives it a clean and a modern look. It's perfect for minimalist interiors and small spaces. The ZZ plant, on the other hand, has glossy, deep green leaves that grow in elegant stems and giving it a fuller and more luxurious appearance. If you love a silk and a modern design, the snake plant is great choice. But if you want a lush tropical look, the ZZ plant may win your heart. Now let's talk about light. Both plants are famous for surviving in low light conditions. However, the ZZ plant generally performs better in a darker rooms. If you if your home has bright indirect light, both plants will thrive and grow much faster. Avoid placing either plant in harsh afternoon sunlight as it can damage the leaves. Before we continue, I would love to know which plant do you prefer so far? Team snake plant and team ZZ plant. Let me know in the comments. One of the biggest reason people kill houseplant is overwatering. The good news is that both snake plants and ZZ plants are drought tolerant. Always allow the soil to dry completely before watering. In winter, they need even less water because their growth slow down. It's much easier to recover from underwatering than overwatering. If you are busy or often forget to water your plants, both are excellent choice. Neither plant require frequent attention. Simply wipe the leaves occasionally to remove dust and keep them looking healthy. Overall, both are considered low maintenance indoor plants. Let's talk about growth. The ZZ plant usually grows faster when they given enough light, and the snake plants grow more slowly but produce new shoots over time. If you are looking for quicker results, the ZZ plant has the advantage. Many people buy these plants because they believe they can clean the air. They clean indoor air while both plants can contribute to healthier indoor environment. They should not replace proper ventilation. Think of them as a beautiful bonus rather than an air purifier. This is important if you have cats or dogs. Both the snake plant and a ZZ plant can be toxic if chewed by pets. If you have curious pets or small children, place these plants somewhere out of their reach. If you are finding the comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel and lets me know you would like more plants comparison video like this. In most garden centers, both plants are similar price and the most and the it really helps the channel and lets me know you would like more plants comparison videos like this. In most garden centers, both plants are similarly priced. The cost mainly depends on the size and maturity of the plant rather than the variety itself. Smaller plants are usually affordable, making both excellent choice for beginners. So, which plant is better? If you are looking for a plant that thrives in a very low light, grows a little faster, and has a lush appearance, I would recommend the ZZ plant. However, if you want a stylish and beautiful plant that's incredibly tough and easy to care for and perfect for modern interiors, the snake plant is an excellent choice. The truth is, neither plant is universally better. The best plant is the one that fits your home, lighting conditions, and lifestyle. Now it's your turn. Which one would you choose? Snake plant or ZZ plant? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new plant care videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy gardening.